What is off Facebook activity and why you should turn it off? Stick around to find out. Facebook monitors your activity outside their website by gathering personal information, interactions, and other data from apps or websites you're using. How? Facebook uses business tools such as Facebook Login, APIs and SDKs for web and app developers, and Facebook Pixel for ad managers. Now, bakit ginagawa ni Facebook to? Ads and revenue. Let me show you. As you can see, there are a variety of ads on my Facebook newsfeed. What's interesting here is that at some point, I clicked the link or an ad related to these products. The one prominent here is from an IoT company selling smart home devices. Now, dyan kumikita si Facebook by selling your website activity to third-party ad managers or merchants for personalized ads. Now, if you're like me, if you don't want Facebook keeping track of your online information, if you want added online anonymity, here's how you can disable off Facebook activity. I-click nyo lang yung arrow pointing downward dun sa upper right hand side of the page and then click on settings. Under the settings page, click on your Facebook information. And then on the main part of the page, click on off Facebook activity. Now in here, there is a brief explanation of what Facebook activity is. You can also see some of the activities that you've had online. Makikita nyo meron ako from Lazada, Shopee, and Grab. There's also a longer explanation here at the lower part of the page and how Facebook activity is shared. Now, to clear your Facebook activity and disable it, click on clear history on the right hand side of the page and it will ask you blah blah blah. Just click on clear history and boom, wala na yung off Facebook activity nyo. Now to disable it, click on manage future activity and then click on manage future activity again. And there's a toggle switch here. Just turn it off. Now, there are some reminders here. It may take some time to fully disconnect your account. And this is important. You will still receive ads from businesses and organizations you visit. But it's not catered or tied to your account anymore. So click on turn off. Sa mobile naman, just click on the Facebook button, click settings, and then scroll down. And under your Facebook information, click on off Facebook activity. Now, since wala na akong activity here, just click on more options and then click on manage future activity. Click on it again and then click the toggle switch off. If you have additional questions about off Facebook activity, just go to facebook.com/off-facebook-activity. Scroll down and you'll see some questions there. Like, if I disconnect my activity, ay makikita pa ba akong ads? Yes. If you disconnect your activity, does it mean that it's deleted? No. Facebook puts it in a way that it's no longer connected to your account. So that's it. If you like this presentation, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel. See you next video.